नमस्सर्वेभ्यः कक्ष्यायां स्वागतम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा इति प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं कुर्मः। अस्माभिः ह्यस्तनमाध्याह्निककक्ष्यायां सङ्ख्यानां लिङ्गभेदाः दृष्टाः। तत्र एकः बालकः क्रीडति। एकः बालकः विशेषण विशेष्य संस्थापनं प्रथमाविभक्तौ एव अस्ति एकः इति। एकः इति पुल्लिङ्गे बालकः इति पुल्लिङ्गे अस्ति इति तथा। एकः बालकः। एका बालिका विद्यालयं गच्छति। स्त्रीलिङ्गे स्थापितमस्ति प्रथमाविभक्ति एकवचने। बालिका इति विशेष्यं स्त्रीलिङ्गे अस्ति इति एवम् एका इति स्थापनीयम्। एकं फलं नष्टम् अस्ति। एकं फलं नपुंसके स्थापितमस्ति। एकः एका एकम् इति पुल्लिङ्गे स्त्रीलिङ्गे नपुंसकलिङ्गे च क्रमशः रूपाणि। तदनन्तरं एवमेव यथा एकशब्दस्य लिङ्गभेदाः विशेषणत्वेन भवति तथैव द्वयम् एवं त्रयम् एतयोः अपि अथवा त्रीणि एतयोः अपि भेदाः सन्ति। चत्वारः एतस्यापि चत्वारि इति नपुंसके तस्यापि एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि एतयोः न केवलं नपुंसकरूपम् अपि च स्त्रीरूपं पुंरूपं भिन्नरीत्या भवति। तु त्रयः चोराः मार्गे धावन्ति। तिस्रः महिलाः स्त्रीलिङ्गे विपणिं गतवत्यः। सभाभवने त्रीणि चित्राणि नपुंसके सन्ति। चित्रं चित्राणि त्रयं त्रीणि। त्रयम् इति नास्ति एकवचने, परन्तु कदाचित् तादृश रूपाः दृश्यते, परन्तु अत्र त्रीणि इति। त्रयम् इति as a suffix it is used. द्वयं त्रयं like that. विद्यालये चत्वारः अध्यापकाः पाठयन्ति। चत्वारः अध्यापकाः पुंसि। अद्य चतस्रः विद्यार्थिन्यः कक्ष्यां न आगताः। बहवः न आगताः। अत्र तु केवलं वयं 20 यावत् स्मः, 18 यावत् स्मः छात्राः आगच्छेयुः। जानामि कालक्रमेण भानुवासरे कष्टं भवति इति, परन्तु पठनीयम् अस्माभिः। अद्य चतस्रः विद्यार्थिन्यः स्त्रीलिङ्गे कक्ष्यां न आगताः। चत्वारि फलानि वृक्षात् पतितानि। चत्वारि फलानि नपुंसके। द्वौ बालकौ द्विवचने भवति। किमर्थम् एकः इति इत्यनन्तरं तिस्रः चतस्रः अथवा त्रीणि चत्वारि एतयोः पाठाः एकः एव एकवचने भवति। तदनन्तरं बहुवचने भवन्ति त्रीणि चत्वारः एवं चत्वारि इति। तदनन्तरं पुनः द्विवचने भवति इति द्विशब्दस्य एतावत् पर्यन्तं न पाठितं। किञ्चित् अग्रे स्थापितमस्ति। द्विवचने एव भवति। तु द्वौ द्वे द्वे। द्वौ इति पुंसि, द्वे इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे, पुनः द्वे इति नपुंसके। यथा फलं फले तथैव द्वयं द्वयम् इति यथा मया उक्तं तत् भिन्नरीत्या उपयुज्यते। द्वे इति रूपं भवति। सो द्वौ बालकौ भाषणं कृतवन्तौ पुंसि। द्वे बालिके गीतं गीतवत्यौ इति स्त्रियां। द्वे पत्रे अर्थात् मह्यं द्वे पत्रे आगते इति नपुंसके च प्रयोगः. So we had seen all this yesterday. Okay, so we saw some more examples in other vibhaktis. Okay, the exercise we moved on to other vibhaktis. Ekam vriksham dvitiya, ekena banena tritiya, ekasmin grihe saptami, ekaya balikaya. Okay, karanakaraka striyam tritiya, ekasyaam kapatikayam saptami in स्त्रीलिंगा. त्रिभिः जनैः बहुवचन तृतीया विभक्ति त्रिभिः. त्रयाणां पुस्तकानां of the, so षष्टि Okay, so Shashti Bahuvachana. And in Napumsaka, because Pustakam, Pustakanam. एवं तो एवमेव अस्माभिः इतोपि केचन उदाहरणानि द्रष्टव्यानि सन्ति। अहमेव झटिति पठित्वा अग्रे सरामि। कालावकाशः बहु नास्ति इति मत्वा एवं कुर्वन् अस्मि। नगरे 3 स्थलेषु कोलाहलः प्रवृत्तः। 3 स्थलेषु, सो एतत्तु सप्तमी बहुवचने एवम् अस्ति। स्थलं, स्थलेषु. ओके, सो 3 3 ओके. देन् कण्डोले 4 फलानि उत्तमानि सन्ति। फलानि अत्र तु प्रथमाविभक्तौ एव स्थापितमस्ति। 4 फलानि इति भिन्नविभक्तिषु स्थापनीयं भवति, परन्तु फलानि सन्ति इति फलानि एव कर्ता, अर्थात् कर्तृपदम्, अर्थात् बहुवचने फलानि सन्ति। उत्तमानि सन्ति इति विशेषणम्। उत्तमानि इत्यपि फलानि इत्यस्य विशेषणमेव। अन्ते स्थापितमस्ति टु एक्सेण्ट् इट्, टु हैलैट् इट्, एवं स्थापितमस्ति। प्रधानत्वं स्थापयितुं क्रियापदस्य समीपे स्थापितमस्ति। उत्तमानि सन्ति इति किञ्चित् काकु तत्र उपरि गच्छति अस्माकं मुखे। कंडोले 4 फलानि उत्तमानि सन्ति। कंडोल is a carry container, so 4 fruits superior like that. चतुरः बालकान् माता आहूतवती। अत्र द्वितीयायाम् अस्ति। माता इति कर्ता, माता किं कृतवती? आहूतवती, शी इन्वाइटेड। कान् आहूतवती? बालकान् आहूतवती। So this chaturah is not the smart chaturah. This one is 4, simply 4, and it is in dvitiya vibhakti. Okay, chaturah balakan. Okay, dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachana. Okay, we will see this in tabular fashion soon, so that it's very clear and we can memorize that way. Okay. कार्यक्रमे चतस्रः भगिन्यः सम्यक् कार्यं कृतवत्यः। चतस्रः भगिन्यः सम्यक् कार्यं कृतवत्यः, अत्र पुनः प्रथमायाम् एव चतुरः बालकः प्रथमायाम् एव स्थापितमस्ति। चतस्रः भगिन्यः इति सम्यक् कार्यं कृतवत्यः। So 4 sisters in the program. वने चतस्रभिः धेनुभिः सह वत्सः चरति। सह उपपद तृतीया स्त्रीलिंगे बहुवचने धेनुभिः सह। चतस्रभिः धेनुभिः, चतस्रभिः धेनुभिः एतदपि तृतीया बहुवचने स्त्रीलिंगे स्थापितमस्ति। So in the forest with 4 cows, the baby cow grazes. Charati is correctly translated as grazes. Okay. Dvayoho vrikshayho aunatyam pashya. So this is Shashti. Dvayoho vrikshayho. Dvishabdasya Shashti pullinge dvivachane cha. Dvayoho vrikshayho. Vrikshau iti. तत् षष्ट्यां वृक्षयोः इति भवति। एवमेव द्वौ इत्यस्य द्वयोः इति रूपं। द्वयोः वृक्षयोः औन्नत्यं पश्य। सी द टॉलनेस ऑफ 2 trees. पश्य इस् त्वं पश्य, लोट। द्वे बालिके विद्यालये सम्यक् पठतः। सो हियर अगेन इट इज स्त्रीलिंग द्विवचन। द्वे बालिके प्रथमा विभक्ति। बालिके पठतः. So 2 girls studied. Dve is just put to teach us. Dve is almost not needed. Balike embeds the dvivachana, but anyway. Dve balike vidyalaye samyak patatah. 2 girls in the school properly they read. Dvau balakau vegena davatah. Dvau balakau vegena davatah. Vatsaha is this. And what's been said is vatsaha, it's a pullinga. So it's a male baby cow. Whatever you want to call it, baby cow is for a male. I don't know how to say. Maybe there is a English word for such things. Calf, yeah, baby calf. Male baby calf. Calf is generic. Yes. Dvau balakau vegena dhavatah. So now again balakau dhavatah. So again pratama vibhakti only, but pullinga balakau dvau. So few pratama vibhakti examples only are there. Okay, but some are other vibhaktis. Anyway, they are not exhaustively making. They are making some random examples. What is critical for us, you and me, is to recognize the vibhakti in the context of the sentence. Okay, it takes some time, it takes some maturity. Is it in prathama, dvitiya? We generally get confused between prathama, dvitiya. Others is kind of little better recognition is possible. Anyway, sometimes between panchami shashti confusion happens because some forms having similar sounds, etc. The words in bold type above are numerals, sankhya vachakaha. Note that they behave like adjectives, visheshanani. Okay, so they are in the same gender and number as the substantive. Again, that's a same thing they have repeated, which it's just to ingrain it into you. So you now know that numerals are also adjectives in Sanskrit. We had seen this much. So now a few more sentences they have now given. Now they are moving beyond 1, 2, 3, 4. Now they're going into 5 and the world beyond 5. Okay, what happens? So this fourth section is about numbers greater than 4. What is important? You see here. Panchabalakaha pathanti. Panchabalikaha pathanti. Panchaphalani santi. Okay. So 5 boys read. 5 girls read. 5 fruits are there. So balakaha pullinga bahuvachana. Balikaha strilinga bahuvachana. Phalani napumsakalinga bahuvachana. But pancha has remained. Pancha, pancha, pancha. So trilingaka. Please remember it is not avyaya. Okay. There is a difference between an avyaya and trilingaka shabda. An avyaya, not only due to linga, even due to vibhakti and vachana, it has no influence. It has not any change in its form. So in all the 7/3 positions, it carries the same form. I mean, technically, it is like a subanta with the sup which has been elided. Okay, removed sense. Okay, some of them appear as if they have the subanta fixated. Shanaihi, like that. It seems like Tritiya Bahuvachana. But for technical purpose, we consider that as a fixate. In fact, technically, usually it sits in the Tritiya Bahuvachana sense also in the Vakya. So it's a little bit kind of borderline definition of a avyaya. But there are some very pure, simple avyayas. There is no confusion in any of our minds that they don't. Like a cha. Cha is not a visheshana. Cha is not, having a vibhakti. So, because cha is used as an and to collectively show a list. Instead of, as in English, we put the and before the last word of the list. In Sanskritam, we can put cha anywhere, but generally we put it at the end of the list. Ramaha Lakshmanaha cha. Like that. Okay. So Ramaha Lakshmanaha cha gacchataha. So gacchataha is in Dvivachana to track that there are 2 kartas. So that way. So cha is just to show that both of them, and Rama and Lakshmana, like that. Now the same vakya, suppose I put Rama and Lakshmana in Dvitiya. Ramam Lakshmanam cha Sita ahutavati. Okay, Sita invited Rama and Lakshmana, like that. Okay, so now they are in Dvitiya, but cha continues. Okay, so that's why cha is not having any vibhakti variation. Normally we use it with pratama list, but it's possible. Ramasya Lakshmanasya cha brata bharatah. Ramasya Lakshmanasya cha brata bharatah. See, shashti vibhakti with a cha. So it's cha doesn't have any, it is untainted by the vibhakti to the list. It is untainted by the vibhakti of the list to which it is attached, the linga of the list to which it is attached. So it's a kind of a good pure avyaya example. But something like shanaihi, etc., they look like a colored avyaya. Okay, anyway, this is a little deviation. So pancha is not an avyaya, and it is actually a trilingaka shabda. So it is in pullinga also, it is pancha in pratama vibhakti. It's Strilinga also it is Pancha, in Napumsakalinga also it is Pancha, but remember it is in Pratama Vibhakti here. Pancha Patanti, Pancha Santi. Okay, so five read, five are there. Five what? Five boys, five girls, five fruits. Okay, so just like in English, five is not having any taint, same way it sits in Sanskritam. But it will take different forms in other vibhaktis. We will see that quickly. Shat chatraha gachanti. Six students go. Shat balikaha dhavanti. Six girls run. Shat pustakani santi. Six books are there. So like this, they have shown some very simple examples to warm us up to this form. Now they have explained what the whole thing is about. Pancha and shat are used here. Okay. Sometimes remember the shat changes to dakara, shad, because that is due to a Vyanjana Sandhi. That's often said. The original form is shat. So when you write it separately, you can write it shat. Or if the influence of the takara to dakara conversion is possible, you can also write it as shad. Not a problem. But shad is only in some places. Shat can be used in all places. Okay. It is obvious that they do not change according to the gender of the Visheshyam. Actually, these numerals, Pancha, Shat, Sapta, etc., have the same form in all three genders. So that is why we call them Trilingakaha. Okay, Trilingakaha. Athwa Trilingakani Padani. Trilingakaha Shabdaha. So whether you say Trilingakaha, you are meaning Shabdaha. Trilingakani, you are saying Padam Padani. Okay. Okay, like that. Ekam, dve, trini, chatvari. These differ in the three genders. Pancha, shat, sapta, etc. So that means ad infinitum. Are all same in all three genders. Okay. So they are not going to take us beyond a few numbers, but we'll let us study that much. So now, before we jump into this, though we technically have to read this and then come to this table, I want to introduce this table to you at this point. This much I will share in the WhatsApp as an image if you want to keep it as a reference. So remember, Eka Shabda. Eka Shabda goes in Pullinga because it has only one column, because it is one, no? But there are some strange places where other vibhaktis are used, but we'll not go to the exception, we'll go to the rule. So, ekaha pratama vibhakti, ekaha balaha, ekam balakam, ekena balakena, ekasmai balakaya. See, eka shabda is a sarvanama type declension. That's why it's not so going like Rama shabda. Okay? Until here it sounded like Ramaha, Ramam, Ramena, like that. But here Ramasmai is not possible. We know is a Ramaya. So this one is actually in the sense of Sahataute. See, Saha, Tam, Tena, Tasmai, Tasmat, Tasya, Tasmin. That forms. So remember that. That's why Sarvanama Shabdas also we have to kind of mug up nicely. Basically, it's not too difficult. The Pullinga Sahataute, the Strilinga Satetaha, and the Napumsakalinga Tattetani. If you mug this up, it helps you a lot with lots of Sarvanama. So this Eka, etc. also go in that same way. Okay. So all right. Ekasmai, Ekasmat, Ekasya, Ekasmin. So these are the forms. Same thing in Strilinga. In the Ekavachana column switches like that. Like I told, normally there is no Dvivachana, Bahuvachana column, though there is some interpretation of those, but we'll not go there. Eka, Ekam, Ekaya, Ekasyai, Ekasyaha, Ekasyaha. See here there is always a Panchami Shashti issue in Srilinga, like Sitayaha, Sitayaha. So from Sita and of Sita have the same form. Okay. Ekasyam. Okay. In one. Okay. Then same way, Napumsakalinga. Very easy. Ekam in the first two vibhaktis. After that, like Pullinga. Ekena, Ekasmai, Ekasmat, Ekasya, Ekasmin. So no problem. Same thing with Tatate Tani. Tatate Tani, Tatate Tani. Then Tena, Tasmai, Tasmat, Tasya, Tasmin. So just like Saha Shabda changes after Titiya vibhakti to Pullinga form, same thing happens here. Okay? All right. So next, Dvau. see dvau in pratama vibhakti and ditya vibhakti same form. Then dvabhyam. So by, to, from, to, of, to, all have the same rupa. So only by context we will know. Okay, then dvayoho. Okay, again in shashti and Saptami, actually, wait. Tritiya, Chaturthi, and Panchami have Dvabhyam. I made a quick error there. Tritiya, so that is Karanakaraka, Sampradana, Apadana, they have the same form, but some this thing, possession case, Sambandha has same form as locative, Saptami, Adhikarana. So Dvayoho. So then similarly, Dve. In Strilinga, Pratama Vibhakti, Ditiya Vibhakti, Dvabhyam. So this Strilinga form and the Pullinga form and the Napumsakalinga form, which is not shown but is the column of the Pullinga there, is all Dvabhyam. Okay. Then Dvayoho. So only in Pratama Dvitiya Vibhakti, the Strilinga has its distinct form. Okay. Then it's all looking like Pullinga. Napumsakalinga also, in fact, looks the same as Strilinga. In Dvitiya Vibhakti, and then after that is like Pullinga, and all but even Srilinga has the same form. So very only 2-3 sounds to remember: Dvau, Dvabhyam, Dvayoho, Dve. 4 forms to remember to know where to fit what. So if it's not any of these 4 forms, then you know you are making an error. You have to think. Okay, just 4 forms: Dvau, Dve, Dvabhyam, Dvayoho. Finish. But it fits in different vibhaktis in different tables differently. Okay. Then Trayaha. Okay. So this is little more colorful. The Pullinga and Strilinga don't have too much overlap. Okay. See, Trayaha, Treen, Tribihi, Tribhyaha, Trayanam, Trishu. See, if you see, this is like Sarva type. No, Sarva is having survey in, so it's different, slightly different. Okay, Trayaha, Treen, Tribihi, Tribhyaha, Trayanam, Trishu. Okay, because of Trayas Sakaranta. Okay, so this is not having like the simplicity because it is Trayas Shabda. Okay, so that's why it is going like that. Okay, then Tisraha, Tisrubihi, Tisrubhyah, Panchami Shashti. Sorry, Chaturthi and Panchami. Then Tisrunam Shashti, Tisrushu Saptami. Okay, all right. Sambodhana and all are not being, included as an important thing to consider for this. But it would be like probably Hey Eka, Hey Ak, something like that. I mean, you, single person, something like that. Then Trini in place of Trayaha Trin. After that, like Tribihi, Tribhyaha, Trayanam, Trishu. Here like Pullinga. Say Chatvaraha, Chaturaha, Chaturbihi, Chaturnam, Chaturshu. Okay. See here, Chaturaha. This is the Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachana form of Chatvaraha. It's a little tricky. It tricks us always because we know it as smart. But here it, maybe the word Chatura as smart comes from some form of number 4. One who knows the 4 ways, something like that. We don't know the genesis of that. But the original form is the Dvitiya Vibhakti Chaturaha is the form. Chatvaraha, Chaturbihi, Chaturbhyah, Chaturnam, Chaturshu. So little bit tracking is there. Bhyam and then Bhyaha like that. Ranam, Shu. So little tracking is there. And Chatasraha is much like Tisraha. Tisraha, Tisrubihi, Chatasrabhyah. Chatsrubhyah. Okay, actually Chatsrubhyah va, Chatasrubhyah va. I have to check whether I have an error there. Okay, I don't like this sound. Chatsrubhyah is it's sounding incorrect. I think it is Chatasrubhyah. I will edit before I send. Okay, Chatasrubhyah. I think I'll check anyway. Then Chatasrunam, Chatasrushu. So, okay.
Mahodaya, in Pullinga for Trayaha,
Hmm.
Tritiya Vibhakti,
Huh.
There are many cases where I've heard Traihi is given Tribihi.
Tribihi is the form actually. Yeah, Traihi may be a, what you call Ashuddha Prayoga.
Okay.
Hmm.
Because I think most of us have heard it somewhere, some places. So,
It must be an Ashuddha, either Arsha Prayoga or Ashuddha. Okay, if
okay.
it is a very ancient text and it is so, we call it Arsha Prayoga and don't try to correct it, and we just take it as is. Identify it as non-Paninian and pre-Paninian Arsha Prayoga. Arsha Prayoga means Rushi Prayoga like that. But
Okay.
today we have to say Tribihi, Paninian. Okay?
So in Panini's Ashtadhyayi is Tribihi. Okay.
According to Panini's Ashtadhyayi. In Panini's Ashtadhyayi is the correct technique to use because Panini's Ashtadhyayi is about the process. It's not having the list of sounds. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If you apply
Then,
Paninian rules, you will get Tribihi according to the uh,
okay.
yeah.
Formula base. Okay.
Huh.
Understood. Dhanyawada.
Huh. Okay. So next after that, you see this Pancha to Dasha, because this Linga Bheda is there only for the first four. That's why I have to correct this part. I will correct and publish to you guys. But here it is very straightforward. Only Vibhakti variations are there. There is no Linga variation. So I don't have to list I don't have to list linga and all that. Okay. So I just gone for Trilingaka only without a title of Pums Trinapu. So Pancha, Pancha, Panchabihi, Panchabhyaha, Panchabhyaha, Panchanam, Panchasu. Shat, Shat, Shadbihi. See Dakara. Shadbihi, Shadbhyaha, Shadbhyaha, Shannam. Nakara has changed to Dakara, has changed to further to Na. Shannam and Shatsu. Okay, sapta, sapta, saptabihi, saptabhyah, saptabhyah, saptanam, saptasu. So there is some tracking. You see, panchabihi, shadbihi, saptabihi, ashtabihi, navabihi, dashabihi. This may be another way to read and memorize nicely also. Panchabhyah, shadbhyah, saptabhyah, ashtabhyah, navabhyah, dashabhyah. Same thing here. Then of Shashti Vibhakti. So Chaturthi and Panchami are tracking. Both the giver and taker have the same form. Here, Panchanam, Shannam, Saptanam, Ashtanam, Navanam, Dashanam. Of 10, of 9, like that. Panchasu in 5, Shatsu in 6, Saptasu. So, Saptasu Dineshu Bhanuvasare eva aham karyam karomi. Like that. Don't believe that. I work on other days, but in 7 days, I work only on Sunday, like that. Okay. So, all right. So, that kind of usage. त्रिलिङ्गकाः नित्यबहुवचनाः च शब्दाः एते. Okay, त्रिलिङ्गकाः नित्यबहुवचनाः च. Okay. So now we will read these sentences. So here somebody can practice some diction. Maybe I can invite someone to participate. Chandra Varya or Varya? Chandra Varya. Chandra. Okay. There is no moonrise today. So let us go for sun. Sindhu.
Yes, sir.
Sindhu Bhagini. Just read 5 sentences slowly one by one.
Okay.
Try to
Nagare,
tell the meaning.
okay. Nagare, षट् मन्दिराणि सन्ति. In city, 6 temples are there.
6 temples are there. So because Mandiram is Napumsaka, Shat Mandirani. So Shat is in actually Napumsaka, but it has the same form anyway. But it is in said to be in Napumsaka because as a Visheshana, it is associated with Mandirani. So if somebody asks you what is the linga of Shat Shabda in this sentence, you have to conclude it is Napumsaka. Okay? Important knowledge. Okay? You can say Napumsaka and bracket put Trilingaka. No problem. Okay? Huh.
दशासु
Dashasu,
प्रकोष्ठे
not Dirgha. Dashasu.
दशसु प्रकोष्ठेषु जनाः वसन्ति. दशसु in 10.
Correct.
प्रकोष्ठेषु is corner, no? प्रकोष्ठे.
Corner, no. It is actually room.
Okay. प्रकोष्ठेषु in room. 10 peoples are staying.
No. Slight error. Okay. See, this dashasu is a visheshana to prakoshteshu, not for janaha. Okay. So we should take it as in 10 rooms, people live.
In 10
Okay.
rooms.
In 10 rooms, people live. So 10 is a visheshana to prakoshtha, which is the room. Okay.
Dashasu kathasu. Dashasu kathasu eka atyuttama asti.
Sorry, I skipped. Dashasu kathasu eka atyuttama asti. Tell the meaning.
In 10 stories, one is good one, atyuttama.
Very good. One is very good. Ati uttama.
Atyuttama.
Well done. Next two you do. Continue.
Okay. Saha shadabhihi.
Shadbihi. See, this because of font error, halanta is been used. Technically, if the font allowed compound representation, this dakara will go close to bakara. Bakara will become like a baby bakara next to dakara. Like that it will be. But here, because the font is missing, dakara has taken the halant form. So you should read this da and ba together. Shadbihi, like that.
Shadbihi. Saha shadbihi mitrei saha gatavan. His 6 friends, they went together.
No. Saha means what?
Saha, his.
With.
He.
With. This saha, visarga yukta saha is he. Okay. The hakara yukta saha is with. Okay. Saha shadbihi mitraihi saha gatavan. Okay. He went to 6 friends. So he and 6 of his friends with them he went. Okay. So karanakaraka, but saha upapada karanakaraka. Okay. 5th one.
Sa shadabhihi.
Shadbihi.
Sa shadbihi sakhibihi saha chhatravase nivasati. Sa means she.
Correct.
Shadabhihi, 6 friends. Sakhibihi, lady friends, girlfriends, no? 6 friends together. Saha chhatravase.
With. Okay. So she with 6 friends. Yeah.
Sakhibihi means it's girls.
6 girlfriends. Correct.
Chhatravase nivasati. Chhatravase means chhatra is student. Chhatravase means what, sir?
It's a hostel.
Okay.
Nivasaha, avasaha, chatravasaha, chatravase. What linga? What vibhakti is that?
Chhatravase. I'm confused with the
Saptami, locative. Because it is location and they are living there, nivasati. So, chatravase nivasati. So, why ekavachana nivasati? Sa. Rest of them have come along with saha. No need to take their influence into the kriyapada. Kriyapada is influenced by the karta sa. So, sa nivasati. Sa chatravase nivasati. Sa sakibhihi saha nivasati. Sa षड्भिः सखीभिः सह निवसति कुत्र छात्रावासे सप्तमी. ठीक है. Thanks Bhagini, well done.
Thank you.
Let us call somebody that I have not involved. I have a new name, NRD Nad. I don't know it's Narendra Nad or just NRD Nad.
Dwarkanath, sir.
Oh, Dwarkanath. Okay, you have a very special spelling.
Email address.
Okay. So I won't ask you to expand NRD, but please go ahead, Dwarkanath ji. 6 onwards to 10. Slowly read them and give us the meaning.
Saptabhihi rupyakau kauha. Rupyakauhi.
Kaihi.
Sorry. Rupyakaihi aham etam lekhanim kritavan. 7 types of pens I have.
No. See, Kritavan is what?
Purchase.
Purchased, yeah. So lekhanim is what? One single lekhan is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay. So
Pencil.
one pen was bought. Okay. Who bought? Aham, I.
Yeah.
Okay. So if there is a Kriya Pada we have to establish there, I have to put asmi.
See.
Aham etam lekanim kritavan asmi. I, this pen, of course it's lady pen in Sanskritam, the fellow who has purchased, I am, asmi, like that. Okay. Now that is the butler English. But with what? With how much money? Saptabihi rupyakaihi. These are, good old Morarji days, I think. With 7 rupees, I have bought this pen. Actually, today we can buy with 5 rupees also. So I should not discount that. Okay. So with 7 rupees, I have bought this pen. Okay.
Okay.
Past tense. Okay. One more you try.
Saptanam malanam vikrayanena saha prabhutam dhanam sampaditavan. Saptanam malanam, 7 garlands.
Correct.
Vikrayena, seller.
Selling. With selling. By selling. See, nena, ramena, vikrayanena, by selling.
Yeah.
Tritiya Vibhakti.
Yeah. He prabhutam dhanam, he has earned money, is it?
Good amount of money.
Yeah, prabhutam is it?
Prabhutam means proper. Proper money. That means good earning. A lot of money. Okay. Sampaditavan. So saha is the karta, sampadanam is the kriya, but in kridanta form, as a visheshana to saha in kartari bhuta kridanta tavatu, saha sampaditavan, saha dhanam sampaditavan, saha prabhutam dhanam, means bahudhanam sampaditavan, kena vikrayanena, okay. Kesham vikrayanena, kasam, here strilinga, so kasam vikrayanena, by selling of what feminine things, malanam. Okay, then kidrishanam, saptanam, malanam, of 7 malas. Okay, I don't know the significance of 7 malas, but anyway, it's a example, so we'll not have to take it too much. Thanks, Varya. Good attempt, yes. So let us call upon Rama Deepti Varye.
Om Mahoday.
Please try some Bhagini.
Ashtakshari mantraha ashtabhihi aksharaihi yuktaha asti.
Well read. What is the meaning?
Ashtakshari mantraha, the 8-lettered sloka.
Correct.
Ashtabhihi aksharaihi, with 8 letters.
Very good.
Yuktaha asti. Yuktaha means saying.
No, yuktaha means one that is engaged. So the mantra is contained with 7 letters. Okay, well done. Yuktaha. See, yoga, the same yuju dhatu. Yuju means to, yuju yojane. That means to get things together. Yoj. So yukta comes from the same dhatu. Okay, and it is a pullinga tanta type of thing. So it is visheshana to ashtakshari mantra yuktaha. So ashtakshari mantra has become contained with
8 letters.
8 letters. Its name is also indicating that, but a good example. It's something good for us to learn. There is a concept called ashtakshari mantra, and it contains 8 letters. Okay. All right. Now, in Sanskritam, akshara doesn't mean that individual component. So, for example, in vikrayanena, V is an akshara, kra is an akshara, ya is an akshara, ne is an akshara. So, every compound font is, letter is one here. So, it actually contains vakara, ikara, kakara, repa, akara, yakara, akara, nakara, ekara, nakara, akara. So, actually, there are more than the we see actually 2 letters, 3 letters, etc. of Sanskritam in a compound form. But for us now, as far as we count it as akshara in a kavya, it is V as one akshara. Okay, whether it is a guru akshara, lagu akshara, that is secondary, but it is an akshara. Okay. One more, Bhagini. 2 more. You finish off. Yeah.
Panchabhyaha varnebhyaha
Varshebhyaha. Shakara, that one. Sorry.
Varshebhyaha सः संस्कृतसेवां करोति. I didn't understand what is here.
Very good. Good question. See, is used in the sense of from, okay, or including, all throughout, that sense. So, panchabhyah varshebhyah, for the entire 5 full years, like that sense. Okay? From actually. It's in Panchami. So,
That 5 verse. Sorry, I'm unable
for
to
5 years.
For 5 years, okay. For
English.
5 years, Saha, he, Samskrita Sevam Karoti. He was doing Seva for some.
He continues to be doing. So, Karoti is Vartamana. So, he is doing Samskrita Seva from 5 years till now. That sense is there. Okay?
भिक्षुकः पञ्चभ्यः गृहेभ्यः भिक्षां प्राप्तवान्. Bhikshukah is a beggar. Beggar from 5 houses. He Praptavan is he got Bhiksha.
Bhiksha. Very good. He got the Annadana or Bhikshadana, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, from, so again Panchami. Panchabhyah Gruhebhyah. Okay? Shashti, why Shashti is not shown? For some reason, Shashti is not used. I don't know whether they got confused whether they have Shashti. This is also Panchami.
Mahodaya, 7th one, Saptanam Malanam.
That is a Shashti. Thanks, Varya. See, 3 linga they have used. Usually they don't miss a vibhakti. That's why I was stumped. Okay, very good. So this is the thing. So it's a little, now what you're seeing now is little they are raising us. This is not easy. So the learning numbers, different vibhakti forms, etc. is a lift. But it's a good time to start, jumping into it. With these examples, it's not too difficult to learn them. And then again and repeatedly using them in sentences and looking at these forms, at least we will get 50, 60, 70. Progressively, we will get better and better at it. Okay? So keep trying. So with that, some more exercises are there. Okay? So,
Mahodaya, that Saptanam Malanam, it's Sashti, but what is the exact translation of that Malanam?
I will tell you. We will tell you. See, the Vikrayana is the act of selling. Okay. The Vikrayana is possessed by Mala. The act of selling becomes possessed by the Malas because they are the ones getting sold. Malanam Vikrayanam. Just like we say in English, selling of the garlands. Product. Garlands. Okay. Not some girl. Garlands. Okay. So by the selling because ena. By the selling of 7 garlands, he earned good money. Okay. So this is Shashti Vibhakti to show that the act of selling belongs to them.
Dhanyavad. I was confused with that Malanam also.
No, in English also we have the same Vibhakti. Selling of the 7 garlands. Of is a Shashti Vibhakti, no? Yeah.
Yes.
Or what we call possession case. Yeah.
Yes. Dhanyavad, Mahodaya.
No problem.
Sir,
Kannada also will use the same way. Malegala Vikrayanadinda, like that. In fact, Kannada is 100% Vibhakti matching. Yolu, we don't do the Visheshana Visheshya, we just say Yolu. Yolu Malegala Shashti. Vikrayanadinda, Maratadinda, Avanu, Atyadika Dhanavannu Sampadhisidanu. Sampadhisidanu is actually a Krudanta form. You see?
Dhanyavad.
Vasati and Nivasati, what's the difference?
It's an accent. Nivasa is a ni is added to accent the proper staying, not a temporary stay, proper staying, something like that. Okay. So in fact, avasa, nivasa, vasa, all are same. Okay.
All same. Okay, thank you.
Vasati would have been enough. They have added ni.
Enough. That's what I was thinking when you
would have been enough.
explaining it.
Nivasati. Rudi Bala. Some things we use some upasargas always. Okay. So now this exercise is good for collective trial. Balachandran Maria had a hand up. He's the one who asked the question, I guess. So I think he has asked and answered. So now
Yes,
it's
thank you.
very simple exercise now. This Uttamaha has been given in Pullinga, but actually we know Uttamaha, Uttama, Uttamam are the three forms. And also it now declines in different vibhaktis because we are all still learning. What I have done is I have helped us like this. See, Uttamaha, Uttamam, Uttamena, Uttamaya, Uttamat, Uttamasya, Uttame, Uttamau, Uttamau, Uttamabhyam, Uttamabhyam, Uttamayoh, Uttamayoh, Dvivachane, Bahu, Uttamaha, Uttaman, Uttamaihi, Uttamebhyah, Uttamebhyah, Uttamana, Uttameshu. So we have the Uttama Shabda in all the forms. So it's not very difficult. It is actually like Rama Shabda. Okay. And this is the Pullinga version. Strilinga version would go like this. Chatura is there. Uttama, Uttame, Uttamaha, Uttamam, Uttame, Uttamaha, like that, like this here. Okay, this is in Napumsakalinga, Uttamam, Uttame, Uttamani, Uttamam, Uttame, Uttamani, like that. So I have just given some help here. Okay, so we can crowdsource now. So dash balakam, what would be the form?
Uttamaha balakam.
Uttamaha balakah is Pratama Vibhakti. Here
Uttamam
balakam is what
Uttamam
Vibhakti?
balakam.
Uttamam balakam.
Dvitiya Vibhakti. Uttamam balakam. Next.
Uttamena
Uttamena
balakena.
balakena.
Uttamena balakena. Tritiya Vibhakti. Next.
Uttamaya
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 balakaya.
balakaya.
Uttamaya balakaya. Uttamaya Ramaya. So this is for the sake of. So that is Chaturthi Vibhakti. Then
Uttamat balakat.
Uttamat balakat. Very good. Then
Uttamasya
Uttamasya balakasya.
Uttamasya balakasya. I don't know why Sanskrit Bharati gave us in the same sequence. It would have been little challenging if they twisted it like that. It's okay. We will take it when it is easy. Last one in this list.
Uttame balake.
Uttame balake.
Now see this one. Don't confuse this with the Vivachana of Balika, Balike. Balaka is a Pullinga Shabda. So Balake has to be in Saptami. ठीक है सप्तमी पुल्लिंग एकवचन उत्तमे बालके so from here we have to take the prototype. Okay, all right. Next one, strilinga forms are there.
Uttamaya.
Uttamaya, no, Uttamaya. Okay, Sitaya,
Uttamaya.
Ramaya, Uttamaya, Uttamaya balikaya. Next one.
Uttamayai.
Uttamaya balikayai.
Balikayai.
Well done. Uttamaya balikayai. So here you take the prototype from here. Chaturayai, Uttamayai, same form. Okay.
Uttamayah balikayah.
Uttamayah balikayah is a can be Panchami, can be Shashti. Depending on the rest of the sentence, we can conclude. Continue.
Uttamayam balikayam.
Uttamayam balikayam. Okay. Since number 9 fits both Shashti and Panchami, they just gave one and then they went into Saptami. Uttamayam balikayam. Whereas in Pullinga, Panchami Shashti has a difference. In Strilinga, they don't. That's why only one is shown. Okay, next is the Chatura Shabda. So, Chaturaha, Chatura, Chaturam are the Pratama Vibhakti Ekachana forms. And similar to Uttama and they have shown the Strilinga of Chatura and the Napumsakalinga of Uttama and the first two Vibhaktis. Yeah. So, we can answer these very easily. Now, go on. Next, first one.
Chaturaha balakan.
See, somebody continued to use Uttama. That is, Chatura has to be used.
Sorry.
No. You said it right. Somebody else said it Uttama. So, Chaturan Balakan. Okay, well done. Next.
Chaturaha.
Chaturaha Balikaha. Strilinga Bahuvachana. Pratama Vibhakti. Next.
Chaturai balake.
Chaturaihi balake.
Visarga has to come in pronunciation. Chaturaihi Balikaihi. Okay, next.
Chaturabihi
balikabihi.
Chaturebhyah
For the sake of like or by it can be that. See, Chaturebhyah. See the ebhyah. Where it is? Yeah, here. Chaturabhyah I have written. balakebhyah. Okay, so it will come uttamebhyah. So uttamebhyah prototype, chaturebhyah, pullinga. Okay, now you see strilinga next, balikabhyah.
Chaturabhyah.
So we have to be conscious of this
Chaturabhyah.
difference. Okay, chaturabhyah, balikabhyah, like here, chaturabhyah. Next.
Chaturanam.
Chaturanam.
Natva. Very good.
Balakanam.
Nakara comes. Chaturanam here. Shashti Bahuvachana. Okay. Chaturanam Balakanam.
Chaturanam.
Of the smart boys. Like that.
Chaturanam.
This one also is same. See. Uttamanam, Chaturanam. Both of them have the same. Uttamanam it should have been. Here I have another typo. Okay. There is no Natva in this Shabda. My southern Indian training has made it Na. So we love Na too much in South. So Uttamanam it should have been. Okay. I will try to correct it. Okay. I have to remember all these things.
Chatureshu.
Chatureshu Balakeshu.
Balakeshu.
Pullinga. Strilinga?
Chaturashu.
Chaturasu
Chaturasu
balikasu.
balikas.
Amidst smart girls, like that. Okay, so this, see, now Chatura Shabda came as a expert Visheshana, not as a 4 in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay, so all right. So one more exercise for us, very easy. What they have given? They have given Visheshanas. Actually, instead of numbers, suddenly they switched to good old normal Visheshana Visheshya. I don't know what happened. Technically, these are supposed to be in number forms. Suddenly, the exercise switched us back to the old Visheshana Visheshya. Okay, no problem. That also needs practice. So, Unnatat, Unnate.
Vrikshat.
No, don't jump yet. Just let us understand. Okay, so from the tall, okay, too tall, by new, many, Vishalayam, in one law, broad, Strilinga, Malinani, Napumsakalinga, either Bahuvachana, Pratama Vibhakti or Bahuvachana, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay, so Napumsakalinga Bahuvachana is important there. Udarasya, Shashti Vibhakti, Pullinga, Ekavachana, Dirghena, okay, Dirghaha also is possible, Dirgham is also possible depending on what kind of Visheshana it is, but in Tritiya Vibhakti definitely it is Dirghena for Pullinga and Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. If it was Strilinga, it would have been Dirghaya, like that. Okay, so all these are Visheshanas in different Vibhaktis and Vachanas. Okay, in some cases they can be in 2 different lingas like Dirghena, etc. So we have to train ourselves to first read. When we jump into this table thing, no, just to read everything once carefully. Okay, don't jump, Unnatat Vrikshat, and write it off and then get confused later. Okay, just read everything, read all this here, and then slowly your brain will click. Okay, Vrikshat was matching there. Unnate, see, Unnate Vrikshe doesn't match. It sounds fine, right? But Unnate Unnataha Vrikshaha. Okay, Unnate Vrikshe. It matches in Saptami Ekavachana. But we have to see if something else potentially in Strilinga is possible. Unnata, Unnate, Unnataha. So is a Vidyarthinyau. If it is there, Unnate Vidyarthinyau also would fit as a Prathama Vibhakti. But there is no other confusing example. So Saptami fits. Like that we have to go. Okay? A little bit of look around, eliminate and confirm has to happen. Okay? Please do this in your... I have seen when I correct answer sheets, some students in a hurry, they match and then they struggle and then the whole thing becomes a muddle and then they say, okay, ayo, ye chodo, aage chalte. This chodo, aage chalte ho jata hai. Moment you get disgusted with the crisscrosses you are making wrong. Just deliberately, slowly do in pencil and then confirm with a pen. That is better. Okay? So let us crowdsource now. Unnatat Vrikshat fits. Unnate Vrikshe. Saptami Ekavachana. See, I have written it here. Pullinga Panchami Ekavachana. Okay, Pullinga Saptami Ekavachana. Okay, so we also know the Vibhakti here. That's important. That identification is important. Nutanaihi Vastraihi is very obvious because it's staring at us. Okay, Napumsakalinga Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachana 3.3. ठीक है हाँ Vishalayam
Guhayam.
Guhayam. Guha is a Strilinga Shabda. So Vishalayam Guhayam.
Guhayam.
Okay. So that is actually Strilinga Saptami Ekavachana. In a broad cave. Like Malinani. Very easy.
Vastrani.
Vastrani. Very easy. Dirty clothes. It can be Pratama Bahuvachana or Dvitiya Bahuvachana. We need the whole sentence to conclude. Then Udarasya
Janasya.
Jalasya. Janasya. Janasya.
Janasya.
Of a broad-minded person. Okay. See Ekavachana usage of Jana. Okay. Dirgena
Dandena.
Lekanya.
Dandena. With a
Oh,
long
Dandena.
stick. A bad teacher, I guess. Uttamaya
Lekhanya.
Lekhanya. Well done. With
Lekhanya.
a superior pen. Not the $5 pen. Okay. Buddhimatyaha
Vidyarthinyaha.
Vidyarthinyaha. Of the smart of the girl. Or Vidyarthini, Vidyarthinyo, Vidyarthinyah. That wouldn't have had the long. See, if it was a Bahuvachana of Pratama Vibhakti, it would have stopped at Vidyarthinyah. But it is Nyaha. So off. So Vidyarthinyaha. Buddhimatyaha Vidyarthinyaha. Shashti. Okay. Chaturayai.
Balikayai.
What is remaining? Balikayai. For the sake of a smart girl. Chaturthi Ekavachana. For the sake, because she is the recipient of something. Chaturayai Balikayai Mata Dugdam Dattavati. Something like that. Astu. Okay, mother will give milk regardless of Chatura. Mother is mother. Okay. So, more exercises. Okay. So now again Visheshana Visheshya. So again different vibhakti. But here they have given the Pratipadika, Unnata. So dash vrikshat palani patitani. Unnata. Unnatat vrikshat palani patitani. Like this exercise. Okay? Some places they have given the Pratama Ekavachana form. Some places they have given the Pratipadika. I think by mistake they gave the Pratama Ekavachana. It should have just been Samagra there. Pratipadika. So Samagra. Prapanche Devaha Asti.
Samagre.
Samagre Prapanche Devaha Asti. Oh, here is a Bala Hanuman carrying the whole world. Cute sketches somebody does. I wish I was an artist like them. So Pakva is the Pratipadika. Balakah dash phalani kaditum ichchati. Pakwani palani. The boy wants to eat a ripe fruit. Ripe fruits. One fruit he is not happy. Our boy already has 2 apples in the mouth, the third one in the hand. Okay. Tikshna is the Pratipadika. Strilinga. Notice. Tikshna. Okay. Churikaya kartana samaye jagarukaha bhava.
Tikshanaya.
Tikshanaya. Don't do tikshanaya. Tikshanaya. Ksha and na are together. So Tikshnaya Churikaya. Okay, like this. Kshana. Tikshnaya Churikaya Kartana Samaye Jagarukaha Bhava. With a sharp knife during cutting, please be careful. Like this. Tasyaha griham adhunikas variation upakaraihi alankritam asti.
Adhunikaihi.
Correct. Same straightforward here. Adhunikaihi. Pulling a bahuvachana. With new furniture. Upakarana can be furniture. Yeah. So her house with very modern furnishings, decorated it is. Somebody is keep on calling me. Sorry. Okay, that one. Radhika dash sakihi griham prati ahutavati. Atmiya.
Atmiyaha.
Good. What vibhakti, guys?
Third.
Third vibhakti.
No.
No.
Her house. Adikya.
Sixth.
Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachana.
No. If it was Pratama Vibhakti, Ahutavati is singular.
But Sakihi is Bahuvachana, no?
Sakihi is Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Akshay. Sakihi is
Okay.
Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Okay.
Got confused.
So,
Pratama and Dvitiya Bahuvachana will be same.
that's why I asked this question, stopped and asked. Atmiyah Sakihi, Sakihi. See, whereas in
Shashti.
Pullinga Bahuvachana, for example, Sita, Site, Sitaha, Sitam, Site, Sitaha only will come. Okay, Dvitiya Vibhakti very rarely has a variation in Strilinga from Pratama Vibhakti. Okay, it is there only in rare cases. Okay, so Atmiyaha Sakihi here is Dvitiya Bahuvachana and they are the object of Ahvana. Okay, and the only Karta is Radhika, Ahutavati. So, first thing my brain does is look at the Kriyapada, look who could be the Karta. Ekavachana, she is the inviter, Radhika, she is particularly sitting first, normal principle in sentence order. That also we can take aid from. So, Griham Prati, to her house. Okay, her house is implicit. I mean, I don't think that Griham will be somebody else's Griham. So, Atmiya Sakihi, Sa Radhika Griham Prati Ahutavati. They became objects of the Ahvana, Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Like this we have to go. Okay? Ha. Buddhimati is the Pratipadika, Strilinga Ikaranta. Balikayaha Pita Sureshah.
Buddhimatyaha.
Well done, Anurag. Buddhimatyaha Balikayaha Pita Sureshah. See, he trumped all the lady voices.
Narendra.
Well done. Buddhimatyaha Balikayaha. Of the smart girl, the father is Suresha. So, Suresha is the father of this smart girl. He loves her, according to the picture. Okay. Chatura. Okay. Chatrebhyah Vishesha Shikshanam Pradattam.
Chaturebhyah.
Chaturebhyah Chatrebhyah. What Vibhakti?
Chaturebhyah. It's a Bahuvachana. It's in the Bahuvachanam form.
Bahuvachana. I question was Vibhakti.
Vibhakti. Chaturebhyah. Sixth one. Sixth one.
No,
It's
no,
Chaturthi
no.
Vibhakti.
Sashti Vibhakti.
Chaturthi Vibhakti. Chaturthi Vibhakti. See,
Because they are being
Pradattam
given.
Danakriya. See, Pradattam Danakriya.
Yeah, they are being given.
They are being given. So they are recipients. Moment they are recipients, they go to Chaturthi Vibhakti. Okay. So if it was Shashti Vibhakti, it wouldn't have been Chatrebhyah. It is Chatrabhyam or something like that. Okay? So we have to learn
Sorry,
to.
Mahodaya, my Vibhakti is all over the place.
No problem. Our Vibhakti is also our. As long as your Bhakti is in Samskrita, no problem. Okay. Adhikari dash janebhyah utkocham svikritavahan nirdhana. What Vibhakti?
Chaturthi.
Panchami. From them, they didn't get the money. He got the money. Adhikari got the money. Svikritavan. He was the recipient. So the janas are given, sadly. In this case, nirdhane, and that too with poor people only end up paying bribes because they are gullible. Story of life. So from poor people, utkocha is lancha. It is that bribe. Beautiful name, na? Utkocha. Okay. Svikatan. See? Wow, what a beautiful sketch by someone. There is this monkey-like Adhikari with so many hands. He's a avatara with many hands and bananas coming from everywhere.
I think Utkocha without Sankocha.
Correct. Sankocha long gone from India. Only poor people have Sankocha. Dash Rashtreshu Bharatam Anyatamam Asti. Abhivriddhishila. Abhivriddhishileshu. Abhivriddhishilaha Pratama Vibhakti. Abhivriddhishileshu. Just like Rameshu. Abhivriddhishileshu Rashtreshu. Rashtraha is Pullinga. So Pullinga Bahuvachana Saptami. Bharatam Anyatamam Asti. Okay.
So big. This is a so big word. No place to write here. In this
I have managed, you say, without changing the font size. Okay. Dash Bhaktaya Devaha Varam Dadati. Sarala. Saralaya Bhaktaya. What Vibhakti?
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi. Now you guys are becoming, very quick with this. This is good exercise. The vibhakti recognition is what they should have asked, not just writing it. They should have said, write and indicate the vibhakti and vachana and linga. Like that they should have asked. Then it would have become challenging. But we know now. We students, we have become smart to answer this correctly. Okay, well.
Mahodaya,
Huh.
what is the meaning of
Abhivruddhi Sheela is, Abhivruddhi means progress. Sheela means having that progressive mindset. So Abhivruddhi Sheela is the one who is progressive. So amongst the progressive nations, India is, its Anyatamam is like stands out like that. Okay?
Okay. Dhanyavad.
I mean, it stands apart, that sense. Okay, that means either good or bad, we don't know, but it stands apart.
Okay.
I think it generally stands apart due to good. Let us be optimistic. Fill in the
Can
blanks.
we say incredible?
Huh?
Incredible, can we say? India is incredible.
No. Incredible means some other word we should use. Anyatamam simply means stands apart sense. It's a different. It has the sense of uttamam, but not exactly. It stands apart.
Extraordinary.
Yeah, extraordinary. Correct. Extraordinary can be good or bad, right?
Okay.
Depending on the context.
Okay. Dhanyavad, Mahodaya.
Yeah. Okay, fill in the blanks with suitable forms of numerals indicate. Now we come back to numerals. So to help us, again, Chatribhyaha, I have to correct it. Okay, I will correct before publishing. But so help is there, so it's very easy. So Eka Balika, okay. Dash Mala Bihi.
Tribihi.
Three is the clue. Tisribihi Mala Bihi, correct? Tisribihi from here. Okay, Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay, Tisribihi Malabhihi. Next, number 2 here. Now, 2 is the number. Shikshakayoho.
Dvayoho.
Dvayoho Shikshakayoho. Well done. Dvayoho Shikshakayoho from here. Shashti. Okay, not Saptami, Shashti. It could be Saptami. Don't know the sentence, so we cannot say. It could be Saptami, it could be Shashti. Most likely Shashti is the usage there. Okay. Dash Pustakanam 4.
Chaturanam
See here. Chaturnam. Okay, Pustakanam. Don't get influenced by Pustaka Shabda. Okay. Chaturnam Pustakanam. Okay. Chaturnam. Then 5. Dash Devi Bhyaha. Pancha. Panchabhyaha. Yeah, here. Panchabhyaha Devibhyaha. Okay. No linga veda. So we have to look for the form. And it can be, if you know, if you see, it can be Chaturthi or Panchami. Okay. All right. So like this, guys, the exercise. So I will just let you guys give the next answer yourself without intervening. Next.
Ashtasu Prakoshte.
Very good. Ashtasu, not Ashtesu. Ashtasu Prakoshtesu. Okay. Ashta doesn't have linga beda and only one Saptami form, Ashtasu. There is no Ashteshu, Ashtashu, no Ashtasu. Finish. Okay. Ashtasu Prakoshteshu. Next.
Saptabihi.
Asandaihi Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachana. So Sapta Shabdas Tritiya Saptabihi. Bhagini did perfectly. Saptabihi Asandaihi. Okay. Next. Nava Shabda with Patrikabhyaha. Navabhyaha. See, Navabhyaha, Dashabhyaha, like that. So, Navabhyaha, Patrikabhyaha. It could be Panchami, it could be Chaturthi, we don't know. Okay. Then, Eka Shabda, Mitrena.
Mitrena. Ekena.
Ekena Mitrena. We pick from here. Ekena Mitrena. Next, dash Shakhasu. 6, Shat. Shatsu. No Visarga. Just Shatsu. Shatsu Shakasu. Well done. Number 10. Dasha. Grihebhyah.
गृहेभ्यः
Dashabhyah.
Dashabhyah.
दशभ्यः
Bhagini is right. Dashabhyah grihebhyah. Panchami or Shashti. We don't know. Okay. So this is this exercise. Next one. Ekam balikam ahvayatu. So here they have given the more sentence context and similar exercise. So should not be difficult. So te 3 is the number. Shikshakan preshitavantaha.
Te three.
Shikshakan is what linga?
Prayanam.
Pullinga. Shikshakah. Shikshakan is
पुल्लिङ्ग
Dvitiya Bahuvachana Pullinga. So
Pullinga.
3 shabda Pullinga Tritiya Bahuvachana.
Tisra.
पुल्लिङ्ग
Treen. See here. Trayaha. Treen. Trayaha. Treen. Because Shikshaka is Pullinga, you have to go Treen Shikshakan Preshitavantaha. So here it starts getting, you need to know these forms well. Okay? Dash Margadarshinyah Gachanti. Margadarshini Strilinga Shabda. Bahuvachana Margadarshinyah. Pratama Vibhakti. Number 4. Chatasraha. Well done. Chatasraha Margadarshinyah Gachanti. Strilinga. Okay. I should have put that also next to it, but we are doing it here live in the class. So number 6. Dash Kakshasu Pataha Prachalati.
Shatsu. Kakshasu.
Correct. Shatsu Kakshasu Pataha Prachalati. Kakshya Strilinga, but Shat is Strilingaka. Even if it was a Pullinga Shabda, it would have gone Shatsu as long as it is Saptami. Only Vibhakti is impacting it. Shatsu Kakshyasu Pataha Prachalati. In 6 different classrooms, the lesson goes on. So like this you guys do. I will just open up for now, okay, so that but you have to practice yourself. We are running late for our break, so we'll take a water break, gather back at 12:15 and go for some more time, okay? Take a water break now, please. Okay, welcome back. So just a reminder, when you guys start giving the answers, you will be unmuted. So you may forget to mute yourself and then we go into a break. The sound may expose your privacy, which you definitely don't want because you may be speaking something to someone. So make sure that you're operating your mute button when you don't intend to broadcast what you speak. Okay, thank you. Luckily, I have stopped recording, so at least it won't become a permanent record wherever on the internet. So mistake happens, don't worry about it, but be mindful that you may be being heard. And by the way, you guys know whether or not you are muted, unmuted, your equipment may be hearing you. Remember that. Okay. Okay. Vyavaharika Shabdavali. So, Vyavahara means daily life, whatever we carry on with. Vyavaharika means of the daily life. So, the words useful for daily life. Avali means list of words. Shabda means word or sound. So, okay. So everything is meaningful in Samskritam. Every single letter here is not random. Okay. So today's focus is tastes and colors. Okay. So Sundari Varye.
नमस्ते महोदय
Namaste Mahodaya. Mahodaya, you help us read it. What you do is you go in left to right like that. Okay, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
तिक्तः bitter, kadu pungent or hot.
One thing you do, the Sanskrit word you read it twice clearly, slowly. Okay, start again.
Okay. Tiktah, that is bitter.
Very good.
Kaduhu, pungent or hot. Maturah, that is sweet.
This one, no, this is dhakara. So try to, I know Tamil naturally sometimes uses common sounds for different rows there, but don't go mathuraha, don't go madhuraha. Okay?
Okay, madhuraha.
Well done.
Madhuraha, sweet. Lavanaha, salty. Kashayah. Astringent. What is the meaning of astringent, Mahoday?
As kashaya, basically like aushadhi taste. You get that some kind of a raw taste, no? Like pomegranate, especially not very ripe pomegranate. Raw pomegranate gives the taste to you. That one.
Acha, acha.
Yeah.
Okay.
You cannot
Amlah.
call it bitter. You cannot call it sour. It is that taste.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, there is a specific word in Tamil like tuvarp. I don't know about Kannada.
Appa, I don't know myself that noun. It must be that. Yeah.
Wagaru.
Ogaru, ogachu.
Yes,
In
yes, yes.
Kannada, it is ogachu or ogaru. That word you may be
Tuvarpu
using in
is the
Tamil.
Tamil correct
Yeah.
word.
See,
Mm,
whenever you eat something very unripe, it has this taste. Okay? Huh.
Amlah. Sour.
Okay. Well done, Bagini. Thanks for reading the taste part of it. So, tiktaha, katuhu, madhuraha, lavanaha, kashayaha, amlaha. Okay. These are the basically they are visheshanas. Okay, remember. So everything is now listed in Pullinga. Okay. But it could be if something being referred to is in Strilinga, so then you can go tikta something, tiktam something. Okay, it is allowed because you are calling that linga word as that taste. Okay, so like that it goes.
Mahodaya,
Huh.
just one thing. Here, lavanaha means salty.
Salty.
So if we convert it to an napunsaka, it just becomes salt, is it? Like
Yeah,
lavanam.
good point. Good point. See, what Mahodaya is telling is, as a Visheshana, it can be Lavanaha, Lavanam, Lavana. But as a Padartha, it is Lavanam.
Okay, same for this one also, no? Madhuram.
Correct. As a Padartha, Madhuram we use. Generally, we tend to use Napumsakalinga Shabda, Madhuram.
Okay.
Correct. Very good. So, Akshay brings out an important point. Whereas this is as used, when it is used as a Visheshana, it can take Linga Bedas. As a Pada, standalone Pada, Aham Madhuram Kadami. Madhuram Mahyam Rochate. In both Pratama and Dvitiya, it is Madhuram. But it is Napumsaka Shabda. Okay. So, there we don't tend to use Madhuraha Asti, something like that. We say Madhuram Asti. Something is sweet like that. Okay. But if you are Madhuraha Krishnaha. Okay. Sweet Krishna. Madhuraha Balakrishnaha. Okay. Like that we go. Madhura Balika. Like that we go. Okay. We kind of use attribute of sweetness as a behavioral trait also, not just as taste. That's why I'm using it that sense. Okay.
Mahodaya, then all other tastes also, does it apply the same way? Like
in a similar sense. So if you are
similar.
drinking an aushadhi, we say kashayam. Okay. Amlam is for the fruit. Okay. I don't know about katum or something is used ever. I don't think so. Tiktam also is, I don't see something being just called tiktam. So, but lavanam, madhuram,
Like if I say
amlam, kashayam, I have heard a lot as
yes.
napumsakalinga objects. Yeah. Not as visheshanas.
These are basically the Shat Ruchulu which we use in the Ugadi thing, right, sir?
Bagini, what did you say again?
These are the Shat Ruchulu, the six tastes.
See, it is Shat Ruchulu. Correct.
So Katuhu is basically the spicy.
In Kashup, actually, Kashupu is Tikta in Tamil.
No, Kashyapa is Vagaru, which is for neem leaves, which we put
In Telugu it is. See, unfortunately, different languages have slight deviations. That's the thing.
Yeah. But I'm talking
in
about
Tamil,
Kashyapa.
when we say Kashupu, we mean bitter actually.
Yeah, there is a slight line of difference between bitterness and Kashyapa. It is the Vagar taste.
Yeah. Okay, good. Colors. So, Anup Mazumdar Varya. We full southern guys bothering you guys from the north, so I will give you a chance to bother us. Anup Varya? Anup Mazumdar? Okay, he's not responding. Rama Deepti only. You come in, Bagini. You read.
Shwetaha. Shvetaha, white. Krishnaha, black.
Twice.
Neelaha, Krishnaha, black. Neelaha, blue. Pitaha, yellow. Raptaha, red. Patalaha, pink. Haritaha, green. Dhumraha, grey. Kashaya varnaha, saffron. Neela lohitaha, purple. Kapishaha, brown. Shabalaha, spotted, variegated color or multicolored.
Well done, Bhagini. Very good diction. Appreciated. So, again, everything is in Pullinga to mean Shvetaha Varnaha, Krishnaha Varnaha, Neelaha Varnaha as a Visheshana to Varnaha. Similarly, there also, Tiktaha Ruchihi iti Strilinga Padam. Tikta Ruchihi iti Bhavet. Rasaha iti sya. Tiktaha rasaha. Katuhu rasaha, maduraha rasaha, like that. Rasa is the shabd and pullinga. So madura, so lavanaha rasaha, kashayaha rasaha, amlaha rasaha. Like Rama Bhagini only helped us in a shad rasa. So that one. Here it is varnaha. So in fact, it is there in this name itself. Kashayaha varnaha, kashaya varnaha. They used a samasta here for some reason because they just taught us kashayaha, kashaya varna. There is some relationship. If you take Arishina, Arishina is not tamarind.
Turmeric.
Turmeric. Sorry. When you take turmeric, if you taste turmeric, it will be kashaya.
Really?
Yeah. You taste raw turmeric. You bite into a raw turmeric. My God, you will say, okay, I won't touch it again. Not like ginger. Ginger is wonderful taste, but not turmeric. Difficult to taste raw turmeric. Okay. So, beautiful name. See, Neela Lohita. Beautiful name. So, metallic blue, purple. Something like that.
But does it mean Neela Lohita means eyes, blue eye?
Actually, it is used as a Visheshana to some god eyes. Yeah.
Krishna.
Krishna.
Neela
Lochane, Neela Lohite. Yeah, it is used.
Neela
Shiva
Lohita
is also
Ramana.
called Neela Lohita.
No, Neela Lohita Ramana. Nice.
Shiva is also called Neela Lohita.
Correct. Shiva is also used. Neela Lohita is used for him. Correct. He definitely has that purplish coloration because he goes through that. He takes the Visha during the Samudra Mantana. So after that, his throat is set to take on purple color. That's why he's called Neela Lohita. Neelakhanta is also the name, another beautiful name for him. Neelakhanta. Okay. So nice name. Shvetaha, Krishnaha, Neelaha, Pitaha, Raktaha, Patalaha, Haritaha, Dhumraha, Kashaya Varnaha, Neelalohitaha, Kapishaha, Shabalaha. Beautiful. Spotted, variegated color. Shabalaha. Okay. Now, again, these are all Visheshanas. So, Shvetam is also possible. Shveta is also possible. Krishna is also possible. Krishnam is also possible. All those are possibilities. Okay. Patalam Pushpam.
Sir,
See, if you are giving it to Pushpam as a Visheshana, Patalam Pushpam. Like that. Varya.
Dhumraha can be a smoke also, is it?
Yes. Very good. Actually, ash. Okay. So, Dhumraha is ashy. So that is ash gray. Okay? Very good. So you can see the genesis of Dhumra Varna birth. Dhumrapan.
Dhumra Hetu is a caution for smoke or something.
I don't know, Bhagini. I don't know. I have not encountered.
Offbeat a little bit. Madhuradipate Akhilam Madhuram. Madhuradipate, it is the sweetest husband or something.
No. Actually, Mathuradipatehe Akilam Madhuram. Mathuradipati is Krishna. Mathura.
Mathura, that is
not Madhuradipate. Mathuradipatehe Akilam Madhuram.
Akhilam is
Everything.
everything. Akhilam
Everything.
Madhuram. Everything
Akhilam.
about
Person from Mathura.
Everything
Person.
about the Adhipati of Mathura is Madhuram, is sweet. Like that. Yes.
That is a good shloka for practicing adjectives in various.
Oh, yeah. And also it is
For Visheshanam and Visheshanam.
pronunciation will also get cleansed up. Lot of Mahapranas there. Okay, that is Shankaracharya's verse. Okay, let's move forward. We are too slow. We are enjoying too much and very slow in moving the syllabus. Chatushloka. So, tricky verse. This one is brilliant, guys. Okay. Children may quarrel and take their complaint to the mother. This is a familiar sight in every home. Below, Ganapati and Shanmukha. See, these accented letters, no? This dot below has to, we have to take it to that sha, not sa. So, similarly, nakara becomes nakara with a dot. So, Shanmukha, like that. H is for Mahaprana. Shanmukha. Ganapati, see, Ganapati, Shanmukha. The sons of Parvati, Dirga, Pa, accent on the top, Parvati, are engaged in a quarrel. Okay, in teaching English font, I lost the story. Below, Ganapati and Shanmukha, the sons of Parvati, are engaged in a quarrel. Ganapati is weeping, poor chap. Parvati asks what the matter is. Her sons tell how the fight ensued. Okay, as usual, beautiful artist's work I have joined here to enjoy. Such beautiful. He Heramba Kimamba Rodishi Kutah Karnau Luntyat Agnibuhu Kinte Skanda Vichestitam Mamapura Sankhyakrita Chakshusham Naitatte Pyuchitam Gajasya Charitam Nasam Mimiteembame Tavevam Sahasa Vilokya Hasitavyagra Shiva Patuvaha. Now, this it is actually in a vrutta. It unfortunately, because to help us, Samskrita Bharati has added lot of apostrophe, question mark in the middle. If it wasn't there, actually it will be in a nice meter. Okay. He ramba kiramamba rodishi kutah karnau lugnyat luntatyagnibuhu. It will be in some vrutta. Kinte skanda vichestitam mamapura sankhyakrita chakshusham naitatte pyuchitam gajasya charitam nasam mimiteembame. Like this it will go. You can sing it perfectly. But they have broken it into sentence pieces because that's what it is. Okay. In one kavya, full conversation is embedded in pieces of sentences. So it goes. They have given the meaning here, but this is more useful. Come here. Okay. So the verse, another beautiful art, pair of beautiful arts here. Okay. Parvati says, Hey Heramba. Heramba is the address for Ganesha. Hey Heramba. Gajananaha or Ganesha. Kim Amba, he says. Okay, see color. Hey Heramba. Kim Amba. Rodishi Kutaha. Why are you crying? So Ganesha replies, Agnibuhu Karnau Luthati. The Agnibu is our Kartikeya. He twists my ears. Parvati. Hey Skanda. Kim te vichestitam? Te is alternate to tava. Kim tava vichestitam? What is this chesta of yours? What is this trick of yours? Like that. Skanda replies. Pura mama chakshusham sankhya krita. Tena we have to take by him. So Pura before of my ear, sankhya means needling. Trying to pierce my ears. Needling was done by him. Like that. Okay. So, Pura mama chakshusham sankhya tena krita. Like that, he complains. So, Parvati comes back to Ganesha. Hey Gajasya. Hey you with the elephant head. Or elephant face. Okay. Etatte charitam api na uchitam. Your behavior like this is also not proper, no? Like that. Actually, I should have had halanta there. Okay. Gajanana replies, Hey Amba, Saha me nasam mimite. He measures my trunk. So before I did try to do that, he was trying to measure my trunk. Nasa, nose, or trunk in this case for Ganesha. Mimite, so meter. See, meter comes from this dhatu. Okay, mana, mimit. So, evam tau sahasa vilokya hasita vyagra shiva patu vaha. Like this, those two together seeing, having seen, hasita vyagra, laughingly angry Parvati, Shiva. Patu vaha, may she protect us. So it ends in a prayer. So the Kavi has beautifully painted the whole scene, which, we artists in us can paint this literally. See, beautiful, right? So, he ramba kimamba rodisi kutah agnibuhu karnau lutati skanda kim te vicheshtitam pura mama chakshusham samkya krita gajasya etatte charitam apinochitam ambame nasam mimite. It may not be in the same meter order, but that's how it goes. Kavi is reordered it to help. So now we can read it with meaning understood. हे रंब किमंब रोदिशि कुतः कर्णौ लुण्ट्यत्यग्निभूः किन्ते स्कन्दविचेष्टितं मम पुरा संख्याकृता चक्षुषां नैतत्ते तेत्यप्युचितं गजास्य चरितं नासां मिमीते अम्ब मे तावेवं सहसा विलोक्य हसितव्यग्रा शिवा पातु वः. Wonderful. See the smartness in use of language by Kavis. Not only they have brought out a brilliant scene of two boys fighting and the mother trying to sort it out and put it into a prayer at the end and then put it in a meter. Can we do one verse like this today? Not even in Kannada we can do, let alone Sanskrit.
Shamita Mahodaya,
Ha.
small doubt. The S kind of a symbol, which is for the
That is actually called avagraha chinha. Okay, here you see that, no, this S type of symbol.
The Plutaswar, right? It has to be done.
No, there is no Pluta business there. It is actually, it's called a avagraha, and what it is it is an elided akara. Elision means lopa. Okay, so it is a lupta akara. Lupta akara only for our maudhya, because today in modern day we need help. They have started using this elided akara with a elision symbol called avagraha. So na etat te api uchitam. Akara is there as part of api, and then there is a yana sandhi apyuchitam. So there is all this here. Na etat te api uchitam. So there is a purva rupa sandhi where akara elision happens. But if for vrutta it is nice, naitatte pyuchitam. So there is no akara pronunciation, so one matra is saved. So naitatte pyuchitam, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters, finish. So just for tankana they use this elision to show to help us do the sandhi vichedana. They show the elided akara this way. Okay? No pronunciation. There is no more akara pronunciation left in the together. Nai tatte pyuchitam. We cannot go te pyuchitam. We should not say a. Okay? Then meter will be wrong.
Same with mimite amba.
Mimite mba. See, mimite mba. So te mba. Okay? Akara is gone. Te mba. So mimite mba. So 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. Finish. Yeah. Good question. Good questions. Here I have broken it up, everything. So, and also where te, tava, that I have shown in bracket. So all this. Okay. All right. Maybe this slide, because I have done some analytical breakup, I will send this. Okay. So I think we'll take this slide and then finish today's morning session. Samasya. So this is our solution we have to find for the troublesome verse, which is difficult to understand without a proper interpretation. In certain enigmatic verses, enigma means some kind of a surprise, confusion, and not being able to understand. That is called enigma. Enigmatic verses, there is an apparent contradiction in meaning. Okay, but when the words are carefully separated, some sandhi vichedana we do correctly, the riddle is solved. One such enigmatic verse is given below. Try to solve this puzzle. Tatena katitam putra lekham likhamamagnaya na tena likitho lekah piturajnana lopita 4 sentences are there. Tatena, by the father. Tata is father in Sanskritam. Tatena, by the father. Katitam, was told. Putra, hey Putra. Hey son, by the father, something was told. Some command was given. Lekham likha mama agnyaya. What was that kathana? A letter or some article. Lekham likha, you write, lot. Mama agnyaya, by my command. So the father told the son, by my command, write a letter or write an article or something, some essay. Okay. Na tena likhitaha lekah. Not by him was written the write-up, full stop. Okay. Likhitaha is the kridanta ending for that. Pituragnya na lopita. Pituhu agnya. Sandhi here. So of the father, the command na lopita was not lopana means actually how to say in English, was not transgressed. Okay, transgression is low. So the command of the father was not transgressed, was heeded,
Not disobeyed, sir. Not disobeyed.
not disobeyed. Thanks, Swarya. I was looking for some good word there. Not disobeyed. Transgress is all such a not a good fitting word. Disobeyed. Okay, now how is it possible? He did not write the lekha. Still, the Kavi says his father's command was not disobeyed. So something we have missed. Something is the thing. Either some error has to be there in the command or in the execution, because there is a contradiction. He said write a lekha and he didn't write a lekha. Still, the father's command was not transgressed or abandoned, or whatever the word Mahodaya just taught me and I forgot again. Disobeyed. Okay, so how is it possible like that? Okay. Any guesses? Okay. Actually, it's very simple. This space is incorrect. Somebody, while transcribing, made a mistake to write a space. This commonly happens now. While written form, we make these errors, right? Sometimes we skip a space and sometimes we add a space where it's not needed, etc. So this there is no space. You have to take this not as na tena. You should not do some vibhajana there. You should read it together as na tena. So nata is a fellow who bored. Natena is not by tena. Natena putrena. We have to take putrena. By the son who was obedient to the father, who showed his acceptance to the father. That means by bowing down to his father's command. Natena likitaha lekaha. So it's not tena. Okay, natena. So then the solution is there. So now the na goes away from the equation. Once the negation na goes away from the equation, and natena becomes as a visheshana reference to putrena, natena putrena, by the bowing son, likitaha lekaha, this negation gone, then piturajnana lopita is true. This becomes true. Yeah, he wrote, so he did not disobey his father's command. That's all the answer is. Okay, remember that.
Maybe to confuse.
We didn't hear you clearly, Bhagini.
Maybe to confuse us or to make us think a lot, they have written it separately.
No. Why they have written it is, many times when we take old scriptures and try to transcribe and recode it correctly, this struggle is there for all the pandits who are working on this. Okay, my own Guruvarya, who teaches daily Sanskritam to some of us here online, he works in Jain University as a research scholar, and as part of his research work related to astrological texts, he has to take a lot of old lipi granthas and all that and try to interpret and recode it and take meaning, etc. He struggles constantly with this and actually shows us examples of what happens and how he has to be like almost a superhuman to interpret what is there correctly. So that this kind of simple things are good for us at Balisha level, but experts, this is a common problem for them. This kind of struggles. What is the guy has written? Is it shu or su or say so? Like that, they struggle and they go through all their knowledge of Sanskritam to do things. Okay, that's what he would have written. This is how I will interpret his writing, like that. Okay, so to make the verse fit into the context, they have to do that. Okay. Because of the transcribing people, they are not panditas. The original pandita would have probably written it all well, then copy. See how did old ancient India worked. Each kingdom had the court pandits, and under their thing, lot of kavya etc. used to be created and disbursed. So the dispersal used to happen with teams of transcribers. So those who themselves are not so talented used to get work as clerks to do transcriptions. So they will take the original pandit's one copy, and one fellow will make one other copy. So then that copy goes to few more guys, and then few more copies. Like this, they used to mass produce by hand these granthas, and it was the pride of each kingdom. Each kingdom used to be very proud of the granthas that their court produced, and one copy set would go to their friendly other courts. Those courts also will send their copies to this court. This is how libraries used to be created in the Samskrita Patashalas of each Gurukulas and each Rajya's court, etc. Gurukulas used to be anyway taken care of by the kingdoms. So the libraries used to get copies of the works done by different kingdoms. So Chanakya's work would come down to Mysore court. Mysore court Pandit's work would travel up there, etc. This used to happen. Sanskrit was the lingua franca for all the work. So whole India understood each other through Sanskrit. And also all the other Indian languages were upajivyas of Sanskrit. They used the Sanskrit techniques for their own enriching languages. So they had enormous overlap through that. So transcription errors were common, and you had to do all this circus. Yeah. So, all right. So we will call it a day this morning. So we'll start with Shubhashitam at 3 o'clock. Okay?
Yes, Mohdaya.
So,
Dhanyavad, Mohdaya. You
afternoon.
really take a lot of effort.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಮಹೋದಯ.
Thank you. Good afternoon, and see you at 3 o'clock.
Thank you.